Hey guys, we have a special treats for this morning before we start our live stream of the Hudson mosaic build. This is from our channel supporter Tretin62 and her husband Robert, and it's from Kossar's. It's our breakfast, our power breakfast. Hud, what are you doing up here? Oh my god, this is for dessert.
Oh my gosh.
Black and white cookies, handmade with love, especially for you. Okay, we gotta keep these away from Hudson.
Oh gosh.
But this is our breakfast.
Holy cow, that's fantastic job, Trina.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
Oh my god.
What is this?
Oh, we have the best chat. Tretin62, fantastic
Oh my
job.
god, we got all the nourishment here. Hold on, this
We're
is
all
just
set.
napkins.
Hudson's curious. Oh, he belongs in his chair, honey.
Yes, this is a lot of food. So you go back in your chair. Sit.
Huds, come on,
Sit.
get in your chair.
No paws up on the table, okay? So we got an iced coffee.
Oh.
What's
Oh wow. Oh
how
man.
nice they wrapped it up so it doesn't spill.
Oh.
Because this is coming all the way from Grand Street by near Essex, and we just live streamed from there the other day, and we had a bialy. Of course, Hudson had a bialy as well. Okay, careful. Okay,
Let's
extra
put it away
good.
from Hudson.
Okay, put that in there. We got our straw.
Oh.
Extra good. James liked his iced coffee black, so this was perfect.
Perfect.
This will be for James.
Yeah, I'm gonna test it.
James is going to test it now. Okay.
Can't wait. He can't contain himself.
Here's some more sugars and stuff. Okay, so
Oh man.
extra good.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, so
Fantastic. Oh man. All right.
oh, look how
Nice and
beautifully
strong.
it's wrapped too.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, wait, sit. You're getting a little impatient.
Yeah, Hud.
And remember, Kossar's has been in business since 1936. Oh my God, guys.
Oh wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Is this a treat or what?
Oh
Wait.
my god, that's
I
a
want to take off
fantastic job.
this messy part so it looks extra good. A bialy with cream cheese. Let's examine it. It's even coming out the depressed middle. They put more cream cheese because that's not a hole. Bialys don't have holes. Lox, tomato, onion. Oh my God.
Oh my
And it
God.
looks like capers.
Oh,
Hold
it's
on.
beautiful.
No, wait.
It's lovely.
Wait,
Just
Hudson.
beautiful.
Look how they tuck this in nicely too.
Just beautiful.
Oh, perfect.
Oh.
So that's what I'm going to show you. See, this is a bialy, guys. So it has a depressed center full of onions. It's made totally different than a bagel. It has no sugar
Looks
in it.
beautiful.
And it's baked. Traditional New York bagels are boiled, hand-rolled, boiled, and then baked. But this is a bialy. It's just baked.
Oh, it smells good in here.
So let's show everyone. Let's put it on the right nice red plate that I got.
It's a feast.
I think that will look extra good.
Yeah, watch Hudson.
Oh, no,
Hudson.
not.
He's quick.
Look at that, guys.
Hudson's quick.
Let's unwrap one of the. Wait. We're not gonna have this now, but we're gonna unwrap.
Oops, sorry
it.
guys.
No.
Yeah,
Sit.
he's in the chair.
Okay. We're
Hudson,
gonna give you a piece
hey.
in a minute.
Hudson.
Oh my God, he's just.
Hudson.
I just want to get this all pretty.
Hey, Hudson.
No, he smells the bialy and he smells the lox. I mean, it's too much for Hudson.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So dessert, breakfast of champions,
It's beautiful. Holy cow.
extra good.
Extra good. Thanks, Treat62.
So I'll take a photo afterwards, but we're gonna have to take a photo once I've bitten into it. So let's try it, and Hudson can have a piece too.
Hudson's trying to come around the other side.
Hutz.
He realizes that doesn't work.
Wow. All right, I'm gonna leave the
Hold
big,
it up for the thumbnail.
I'm gonna leave the big half
I'll pick it.
here.
Perfect.
Okay. So now what's going in? Okay, ready? Here we go.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Mmm.
Oh my God.
Mmm.
It smells good in here.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's a fantastic
Oh
job.
my God. Jody, Robert, Tretin62, aka ReSanders, thank you so much. Wait. Okay, Hudson can have a little piece.
Oh, just
This was
one.
so extra good. Let's give Hudson a little piece of lox. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is too tiny.
Yeah,
That's not.
Wait.
That's not right.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting it for you. My God.
There we go.
Here you go. Okay.
Beautiful.
That's it.
Thanks.
That's our breakfast. We need that because we have to build your mosaic. No
Okay.
more.
Thanks so much.
Later. All right.
Thanks,
Guys. Thanks so much. That was extra good. What such a sweet treat. Thank you. No,